Welcome back to Beauty Foods 101. Today, let's explore the mother mandarin. The mandarin is one of the original citrus species, and with the pomelo, we got oranges, and then with oranges combined with mandarins, we get tangerines. An orange naturally mutated, and now we have blood oranges too. And with all of these, we get the best defense against viruses and aging, vitamin C. So today we're going to make a beautiful blender to help beat away the winter blues and sickness, and then let's learn 7 beauty benefits of the mother mandarin and all its offspring. Thank you for watching. This has been another episode of Beauty Foods 101 on WMTV.